everyone. Okay, Central Davis A picking up a ton of cubes. Daredevil Chickens picking up a ton of cubes as well. Filtering the purples and the greens. And it looks like Central Davis A is now those runs off the post. 5 points each. As we get down to 35 seconds, we now switch timers. Looks like Central Davis A is going to score some purple cubes into the goal. They get 1, 2, 3, 4 purples into that goal. Daredevil Chickens scoring some greens, tons of greens into that goal.
45.
Central Davis A, tons of greens into their system. Let's see if they can get them into this goal right here.
Now to go fix this.
And they managed to get all of them. With 5 seconds left, let's see if some teams can pull off any marks. Daredevil Chickens get one. All right. The qualification match 14, we got 5A1 for you.